Welcome back. So as far as structure of VHDL is concerned, whenever you write a code in VHDL that synthesizes some hardware, it will always have three units. This is a universal thing. आप कोई भी VHDL code उठा के लीजिए, it will always have three units, and those three units are: first unit, library declarations, and second unit, entity declaration, and third unit, your architecture. ठीक है. Now library declaration जो पहला पार्ट है, यहाँ पे you basically declare certain libraries. So I would say that it contains a list of libraries and respective packages. Right? Which you may be requiring in your design. Okay. This is quite similar to your software language. तो see, every time you write a code आपको कुछ keywords चाहिए होते हैं. For example, if you want to synthesize a logic circuit, उसमें आपको logic gates involve करने हैं. You want to synthesize an arithmetic circuit, उसमें आपको addition operation involve करना है. So before you can use those operators in your architecture, you have to initialize the library जहाँ पे वो store है. Okay, so this is the initialization part. And as far as VHDL is concerned, we have one big library that goes by the name library IEEE. Okay, this is the one big library that we have in VHDL. और इस लाइब्रेरी में देयर आर मल्टीपल पैकेजेस. यू हैव लॉजिकल पैकेज जिसमें आपके लॉजिकल गेट्स आएंगे. यू हैव अर्थमेटिक पैकेज जिसमें आपके अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स आएंगे. यू हैव रिलेशनल पैकेज जिसमें आपके रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स आएंगे, एंड सम अदर पैकेजेस. ग्रेजुअली व्हेन वी टेक दिस इन डिटेल we'll come to know about the packages. But one package that is often used is your logical package. ठीक है, जिसमें आपके AND gates and all that, because we are using it in digital design. तो मेनली जो आपका डिजिटल डिज़ाइन है, इट इन्वॉल्व्स दीज गेट्स. ठीक है. सो द वे वी यूज़ या द वे वी इनिशियलाइज दैट पैकेज इन लाइब्रेरी डिक्लेरेशन इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. यू हैव अ कीवर्ड यूज, then the package, it goes by the name IEEE dot std underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all and the semicolon. ठीक है. तो ये जो मैं अंडरलाइन कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज़ एक्चुअली द पैकेज विच कंटेन्स योर logical operators. So if you have to use logical operators in your architecture, you will have to initialize this package and the library. So library IEEE आ गया. Then within this library, I am using, जिसके लिए I am using the keyword use, this package dot all specifies that I am initializing all the components that are included in this package. ठीक है. Similarly, हमारे पास एक arithmetic package है which contains the arithmetic operator. जैसे logical में we have the logical operators. Similarly, we have the arithmetic on this package. So that goes by, again, you will use IEEE dot std underscore logic underscore arith then dot all. Okay. Again, this is the package. Use is the keyword, and all means that you will be using all the components that are within this. So every time you have to write a VHDL code, you have to first declare your library and the associated packages जो आपको अपने कोड में चाहिए. ठीक है. When we will go to the synthesizer जो आपका सॉफ्टवेयर है, तो उसमें ये ऑलरेडी डिक्लेयर हुआ करता है. So you don't have to every time write a library declaration. Then the second part is the entity. So second part is the entity. Entity में you basically declare your input and output ports. So this basically specifies the input and output ports of your circuit. only the input and the output ports. अगर आप intermediate कुछ signals use कर रहे हैं, they are not defined as ports. So ports means you have a black box, अंदर आपकी internal circuitry है, इस black box में जो input है they will be considered input ports, और इस black box का जो output है they will be considered as output ports. ठीक है. So this is the entity declaration. इसका भी एक specific format है, we'll take it separately. तो इसमें दो चीज़ें आपको डिफाइन करनी है. फर्स्ट जो आपका पोर्ट है, whether it is an input port, whether it is an output port, which means what is the mode of your port. ठीक है. So first thing we will declare in an appropriate format, we'll take that separately, the mode of your port, whether input या output, या आजकल जो VHDL के versions है, they give you an option where you can define your port as both input and output. But we will, जैसे मैंने कहा, we are not interested in completely learning the VHDL. हमको बस वो part चाहिए which will help in the project. So we will either define our port as in या out. Then you have to define the type of your port. What is the data type of your port? Whether you are intending to apply bits, digital जो data आपका है, या whether it has to be an integer, वो भी आपको यहीं पे define करना है in your entity declaration. Right? So normally these two, library declaration and entity declaration, they are quite straightforward. Library तो obviously वहीं से define करके है, और हर किसी circuit में regardless of the complexity of the circuit, at least आपके inputs क्या है, आपके outputs क्या है, वो तो आप define कर सकते हैं. So there is no problem with that. Then comes the third part, which goes by the name architecture, and as the name suggests, this is the part where you actually code the functionality of your design. Okay, so this basically contains the actual VHDL code, which defines the functionality of your circuit. इसका भी एक specific format है, कैसे लिखेंगे, and we have to follow that format. And obviously इसकी complexity will vary depending upon the complexity of your circuit. Okay? So these are three fundamental units that you will find in each and every VHDL code: your library declarations, your entity declarations, and your architecture. I'll end this video. Next video we will take a simple example and we will see how actually we structure a VHDL code. Thanks.